Okay guys, here we have Sea Dancer down on 31st Street, and what I want to do is go through with you guys a little bit quickly how to set up the spring line on this boat. So you can see here at midship we have a cleat, and that cleat can actually be adjusted all the way down this car rail just by running the car back, and then you can twist the top of this and run it back as far as you need to. It's set at the front, which is usually pretty good, so this is where you want to set your spring. Don't put it around the stanchion. That's usually only good for temporary, and you can see it's starting to mess up the clips because the lines are catching it, and that will tear our sail up, so I'll have to repair that. So we want to use this cleat right here. It's in the same general location. So then when you're running this line to the back, you want to come through and you want to hook it up, and then you're going to grab and you're going to push the boat forward, and you're going to see where the tension goes. And you can see I've got it through this spot right here because that's a direct line from the cleat back to the deck cleat. So one more thing, when you're putting these lines on, you always want to make sure that your first wrap is to the back of the cleat, not the front and around. You want to put it on the back of the cleat, come around one time, and then start your figure eights, and then do one lock, like that. Then you'll just tighten it up. Then you just clean up the deck a little bit so the lines aren't all over the place, but that's how we want you to do it. Run to that cleat that is right here. You don't have to worry about the front springing to the front because you've got two bow lines. And these two bow lines are going to keep the boat pretty well centered on the bow, and then you're going to have it here. So really the spring line when you're on this dock, since you have all of this back here, is just to make sure that it doesn't move forward too much and there's not too much pressure on just the one aft dock line, but you've got the spring line as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Hopefully this helps you out.